In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you a method where you can make $100 per article that you submit. And this is just not any article. These are articles about very interesting things. And I'm going to give you an example on how you can do this as well. So if this sounds like something interesting to you, you want to stick around and watch this whole video here. Before we get started though, like I usually do, for those of you that are new to my videos, and this is your first time here to watch one of my videos or to my channel, like you see here on your screen, reach down there below your video right now. Click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can take advantage of these new videos that I upload, such as this one right here today. Immediately, as soon as you get notified, you can come and take advantage of these methods to make money online right from home, and that I upload pretty regularly here on this site for you guys. Okay, all right, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's video here. The site that I'm talking about here, we're going to be able to make $100 per article that we submit of interesting things. So if you want to come over to this site right here, you can see it right here, guys. It's called Listverse right here. You see it? Look up here in the address bar right here. It's listverse.com. Listverse.com. This site right here, as you can see, is a site where, in this site, by the way, guys, if I show you, this gets lots of views. If I come over here, you see we're on Listverse on my similar web extension. I scroll up here, look at the visitors, guys. 3.4 million visitors per month come to this site to read these articles. And if you look, these are all articles of top 10 lists, and they have several categories in all: bizarre, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, society, and so on and so forth. And you can see that these are all like 10 examples of chemical warfare in an ordinary garden. 10 surprise places you will find Rube Goldberg machines, not sure what that is. 10 movie stunts that almost killed famous actors. I mean, these are all like top 10 lists on this site that people can come and read about the top 10 things in the world that maybe in whatever. And this is all can be done in any niche that you want to do this in. It's just the top 10 or the 10 most bizarre, the 10 most entertaining, top 10 different things. It's just whatever you can think of is acceptable on this site, which I'll show you here in a little bit. But you can see that people come here and write articles here, and they also come here to read these things too. So, but how will you make money with this? Well, what you want to do is you can come over here to more right here and put your mouse on that, and you see it drops down a menu, and we come here right here to write and get paid. You see that right there, guys? Click on that. That brings us over to this page right here. And as you can see right here, it says get paid $100, guys. It says, do you want to earn money online? It says Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers, but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here's the deal. We'll pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker. So if you can speak English and you have a pretty good sense of humor, like it says right here, and a love for things unusual or interesting. And it says it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum, and you send it in, and we reply and say, great, we'll publish it and send you $100 by PayPal right there. Alrighty, so if you don't have a PayPal account, you're going to need to create a PayPal account, and you just go to paypal.com, sign up for a free account, and just a personal account will be all you need, not a business account, and sign up there. And the same email address that you sign up with is recommended to also give to this site too when you submit your articles. All right, as we come down here, it says either way you win and stuff here and so on and so forth. Now it says here we can't accept lists from writers who do not have a PayPal account, so this is important. It says here this is non-negotiable. You need to have a PayPal account to be able to do this and make money off of this site right here, guys. And it says right here, here's the rules right here. The rules are pretty simple, guys. As long as your list, and we do mean your list, it says here, don't steal other people's stuff. So you do not want to plagiarize or copyright here on this site. Come down here and we'll read a little bit more of this, and it says is 1 or 2 paragraphs per item that you choose on any topic that you like. It says right here. It says we also need you to link to the reputable sources about to where you got this information from. Alrighty. So I mean, it goes as far as pictures and video. It says when you send in your list, you don't need to include pictures or videos. It says that our team of editors does a great job selecting the best images to complement your writing. However, if you are desperate to include some of your own supporting imagery or videos, just include a link to the YouTube page or a URL of the picture you would like with each item on your list. Now, we don't promise we'll use them, but we'll definitely consider them, it says. Alrighty? So now you know that you're going to write a list of the top 10 best things that you can think of, or the 10 most interesting things that you can think of. I mean, it's just 10 things that you can think of. So again, I've got an example here I wanted to share with you here, guys. Which also, there was another thing I wanted to show right down here too. They will also, you can click on the submissions form here, guys, and it talks about right here too. And it says right here, oh, and there's one more thing. If you have a blog, a Twitter account, or a book that you want to promote, mention it in the submissions form, and we will stick it at the bottom of your list. So you can promote your website if you have a blog, or maybe even a landing page to your business. You can put that at the bottom of your list, and then people will see that and come over and click on that. And that's another way that you can drive traffic to any online business that you have. Even if you have your blog, that you promote things in your blog, you can do that. Submit your blog on this submission form as well. So if we click on submission forms right here, it brings it over here. It says before submitting your list, make sure it is proofread and edited. All right, and there's other things here. And it says here, we only accept submissions from the U.S., U.K., New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa, guys. This, unfortunately, is not good for all over the world, this particular method today. But you can see right here that there are some pretty top tier countries here that they will accept lists, articles from. And it says here, just put in your nickname or your author name and then your email address. And right here, guys, put your PayPal email address in right here. Tell a little bit about yourself. They want to know about you. And then you go ahead and you write your top 10 list of whatever it is, and so on and so forth. Put a clear introduction to your list, and then put in your information. As you can see, this is about, all you need is about 1,500 to 2,000 words maximum on all of your information in your list. So then you just agree to the terms and conditions and click on submit. But don't forget to include your resource, like it said, to put your resource in. They can verify. It says right here. Put your reputable resources in so that they can verify the facts of what you're saying, right? All right, so, for example, I'll show you how you can do this now. It's pretty easy. For example, I came over here and I came to Microsoft Bing search engine right here. And if you'll look right up here in the search box, I typed in 10 rock stars who died at 27 years old. And by the way, guys, did you know that there is a 27 club on Wikipedia that talks about all the rock musicians who have died at 27 years old? And so if you click on that, that brings you over here, and it's called the 27 Club here. And then you can see it goes all the way down, and there's quite a few more than 27, just a few here. There's a lot of musicians who passed away at 27 years of age. And as you can see, all of them here on the left, some of these like Robert Johnson, some of these are really familiar. If we scroll down, Jimi Hendrix, Janis Joplin, Jim Morrison here. I mean, there's all kinds of musicians here who died at the age of 27. So you could make a list of the top 10 or the 10 most famous, you could call it 10 most famous rock stars who died at the age of 27. See, this is something I just thought up. just think this up, and then you just go to, like, Wikipedia is a good reputable place that you can include the link to this page right here in your list of the 10 people that you pick. So they want you to write a paragraph or two about each, each thing in your list, right? And whatever it is. In our case here, it's the top 10 or the top 10 rock musicians who died 27. So you want to write a paragraph or two about the person that you chose in the list, right? It's going to be, for example, if you click on one, you can get information about them, and then you can, it'll come up, and here's the one about Robert Johnson, for example, and you can certainly take, a paragraph of information out of here and put in your list. And when you get that list done, after you've got 10, you chose, all you need is 10. That's all it is. You can't do more than 10. If you remember, guys, this is all 10. Everything is top 10, everything, 10 this, 10 that, top 10, and so on and so forth. So you pick your 10, you write your list over here on the submission form. You submit your list, and then if it's approved, which it probably will be because you wrote this yourself, it's something that you picked off the top of your head or something that you're interested in, and you wrote that and you submitted it, and they'll probably accept that, and they'll publish it on this website, and they will pay you $100 per list, top 10 list, or 10 exciting things list that you create on this site. Guys, that's a pretty good way, an easy way to make $100, I think, really, on this site, and be doing something that you're interested in, writing about 10 things or 10 people, 10 whatever that you're interested in. Guys, if you like this method, that's the video I had for you today. Reach down there and give me a thumbs up below there. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell below the video there. And also, if you got any comments or questions about this particular method, just leave them down in the comments section below. In fact, go ahead and comment and tell me what country you're from, where you've seen this video at. Alrighty, and I'll get back with you on that. If you want to see how to learn how the formula of high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see my free video presentation that will show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands of dollars possibility in one day. Alrighty, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.